During today's open office hours, I said I would publish some kind of information about how to quickly use the Chocolatey service to push an app to a workstation or set of workstations. First thing you want to do is you want to go up to Chocolatey's website and grab the install code that they use. So here's the Notepad++ plugin manager. You scroll down here, you can actually find Notepad++, and you just want to grab this last piece, copy to your clipboard or document it somehow. And then I have this simple script, which I've set up to manually install a Chocolatey. It has a install package is the name of the variable. If you write your own script, you can call it whatever you want. And all it does basically is import the Syncro module and runs this simple command to trigger whatever runtime value you paste in. So here's my computer that I'm working on right now. You'll see if I come over here and I type in Notepad, you won't see Notepad++. I will paste in just the package name part that I got from Chocolatey's website. I'll tell it to run now, and it'll go off and run that script. And if all the planets align and it runs quickly here, we should see the script execute and install Notepad++ on my machine. Live demos are always a risk. I guess this isn't live. Recorded demos are always a risk. And I might just go ahead and pause. Okay, that didn't take very long. Now you can see it's completed successfully, and if I hit start, I have Notepad++. That's all I had to do to push down an app using the Chocolatey. There's also an uninstall script for these Chocolatey packages, and I have another script here that just does the uninstall instead of the install. So this command, I think, is just uninstall. And that's it. Anyway, hope it helps.